Did you know you create your emotions? According to neuroscientist Lisa Feldman Barrett, emotional responses are not objective facts universally shared by us all. They are unique constructs around our own wiring and history.
And it's really, really useful for us to get mastery over our emotions, to really understand our emotional landscape. Because if we understand our emotions better, if we can be more in control of them, we are not at the mercy of other people's choices, responses, and things that they say to us to dictate how we're going to feel emotionally every day.
Exactly. And the point is that all of us are unique, even us, that we've created our own narratives throughout our lives that have shaped our responses in the moment. So we need to take a moment and really understand what's going on for ourselves to be better colleagues, better leaders, and better communicators.
And one really simple example of this might be you're in the office and you've heard that an email has gone around on a project you're working on and you haven't been copied in. Now you might get really frustrated and cross about that, and you might assume that everybody feels like that if that kind of thing happens. But somebody else might be absolutely delighted that they weren't included on that email and think, great, I've got away with not doing that piece of work today, or I don't have to worry about responding. We all have different emotional responses.
Exactly. So next time you feel that you are 100% justified in an objective truth around your emotional response, take a moment and remember that even with a genetic identical in the world, your response is unique to you. You built it over your lifetime, and you can rebuild it and change it to make your emotional life, emotional energy and emotional responses so much better, so much more efficient, and a game changer for the way you lead and live. Take very good care of your emotional energy.
4D human being, developing the communication skills, leadership and well-being of your people.